Okay, so let's say that you come to your calendar and you know that you're supposed to have a bunch of meetings scheduled or even one meeting scheduled and it's just not showing up. Let's take a look at some of the things that you can do to make sure that you are seeing all of your meetings on your calendar. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that the check marks next to your own name is checked. Oh, good. There we go. Now I know that I have my invitation to my party on Friday. The next thing is that you need to make sure that you have all of your classes checked so that you can see everything that you're being invited to. So I'll come down here and I think there's one class that I just can't see. So I would check it to make sure that I have it. So let's watch. If you do one and then take it away, oh, that class disappears. So you need to make sure that that class is checked. But if there's a class that you just can't find and you can't figure out why, there's one more place to check to make sure that you have it. Go into your Google Classroom. Then go to your Classwork button. When you click on Google Calendar here, it's going to double check that everything is on your calendar, and so now it will show up. So it's saying that it was there, but just not checked off. So now all of those classes are going to appear. Now you still have one more that you want to make sure that you have. So you'll come back here, go to that Google Classroom, go into Classwork, click on Google Calendar again, up, and see it's reminding you that we might need to add this calendar to your calendar. And once you add, now it shows up in the list over here on the side, and all of your meetings are appearing on your calendar. To double check it, never uncheck any of the Google Classrooms that you are a part of right now. It will then disappear from your calendar. And never uncheck your own name. That way you'll always have all of your things right on your calendar. Good luck, guys!